First, create a composition. Using 60 FPS, create New Solid by right-clicking and New in Solid. Click OK. Go to Effects and Presets panel and Search Element. You can also use the FX console to make it easier. Go to Scene Setup. You can use the 3 mouse buttons to control camera. Click Create and create a cube. Scale it to 10,000. Where did the cube go? Let's fix it. Go to Texture Settings of the model. Click on the Settings icon now, enable Draw Back Faces, and it's back. Now create a plane as well. This will be the floor. Scale it to 10,000 as well. Now click OK and go to the preview. Create a new camera by right-clicking and New in Camera. Enable the depth of field. Use Alt plus left mouse button to rotate. Right button to zoom in and out. Middle button to move around. To texturize, find some Minecraft assets from Google. Go to Texture Settings of the ground and click on Diffuse. Now load your texture. If you did it right, it should be this giant block. To fix this, go to UV settings as follows, and change this. Go to Texture Settings and turn glossiness off. Now repeat the same process with another texture to the walls. Click OK. We now have our environment set up. Find a sword PNG from Google and drag it in. Just follow these steps which I showed in my previous video to make this 3D. The mask layer. The texture layer. Click Extrude. Now add the texture. Click OK. To add the emboss, go back to Scene Setup and increase bevel. Also remove glossiness. Now we have all the things set up. I'm just hiding the layers. Go to Scene Setup and drag the sword to another group as follows. Make it 2. Follow me carefully to create a null controller for the sword. We can move the sword now easily. To animate it, press P, Alt-click on the stopwatch and get this from description and paste. It's a simple script, self-explanatory. Mess with these values, and you will have this. Go to Render Settings and enable AO and shadows like this. You can increase it. Now you make a spotlight as you wish. Enable 2 views and go to Custom View 1 to make life easy. Adjust the light now. Add an ambient light and also adjust it too. Duplicate the element layer. Hide this wall and enable this for the ground texture. Now disable the bottom layer shadows in Render Settings. Add a deep glow or a normal glow. Adjust the settings and input. Create a shape and type whatever you want. Pre-compose it. Now add an inner shadow to the shape. Add a simple fade in animation. Add glow to text. Enable the 3D icon for the pre-composed layer. Now go to Material Settings and disable Accept Lights. I will be adjusting the position in 2-view mode. Now create a new null by right-click New and Null Object. Parent it with the camera, so the camera is now controlled. You can now adjust position and rotation and make keyframes. I will disable some effects because I don't want to nuke myself. F9 to easy ease and adjust graphs. Make a new adjustment layer. Add CC vignette. Adjust these. And also add Looks, which is an external plugin. Choose any preset or make your own. Click OK. Now add some fine adjustments. Duplicate the adjustment layer and make the Looks layer below the pre-composed layer so it will look good. Add this overlay and make it to screen. Add curves if you want to. In the second layer, add inner shadow and make it white. Now go to Render Settings in Below element and enable Fog and Adjust. And we will have this.